What's up, you guys? It's Bear, and today in this video I am going to be making this awesome rubber band crunchy slime. And hold up, if you guys are new, make sure to join the fam by going down and pressing subscribe. And if you want some extra bonus points, press the notification bell right beside it. And make sure to hit that like button. Let's try to get this video to 10 likes. And if we get that coconut cream ASMR video to 10 likes, I'll be exposing the recipe to it. And one last thing, you guys. When we reach 100 subscribers, me and Rainbow will be doing a face reveal. So make sure to be subscribed because you don't want to miss out on that. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Let's go. So for this slime, you're going to need some elastic hair bands, a mixing utensil, a bowl to mix in, some activator, some baking soda, and most importantly, some glue. Once you poured your glue in, you could add some baking soda and stir it till it's all mixed in. Then you're going to want to activate it. I'm using contact lens solution because that's what works best for me in clear slime. Then slowly keep adding more and more of your activator until it becomes activated. Make sure the slime's a little bit sticky like this because when we add in the elastic hair bands, it will take out some of the moisture. Then I just poured my elastics into the bowl I used to make the slime, and I'm going to be pouring it over the top. I did not like the fact that the elastic stuck to my hand. It was doing this because some of the sticky clear slime got stuck to my hands in the mixing process. Stopping for the thumbnail. But yeah, you guys, then you have an awesome crunchy slime. And if you want to see the full result of this getting cleared up, wait for my bonus video on Wednesday. I will be posting a bonus video, and maybe I'll post a second bonus video if we get that coconut cream slime video to 10 likes. So go over and do that right now. And remember, the like challenge for this video is 10 likes. And if we could do that, then maybe I could do my face reveal sooner. Who knows? But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy the ASMR. Bye!